guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry crumb bars. So let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the flour and rolled oats and mix them together until they're combined. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the raspberries and raspberry jam. I'm choosing to use seedless jam. And then just use a fork to mash up the raspberries and mix them with the jam. And if you like, you can just use the jam and not the fresh raspberries, but I like how the fresh raspberries help cut the sweetness of the jam. So if you choose just to use the jam, you'll just need an increased measurement of it. Lightly grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan and line it with a sheet of parchment paper. Pour about half of the crumb mixture into the pan and use your hands to evenly press it into the pan. Pour the raspberry mixture on top and spread it out evenly. And sprinkle the rest of the crumb topping all over the top of it. And bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes until it's lightly golden on top. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. And that's how to make raspberry crumb bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.